Good day and welcome back to Hugo House. Today, we're going to talk about this luxury, ultra-modern two-story lodge in Vale of York, England. The Millington Deluxe Lodge can be found at the Kilnwick Percy Resort in Pocklington, York, Vale of York. The luxury ultra-modern two-story cabin lodge has exquisite interior design. The ground floor has a spacious, light and stylish open floor plan with a living area with interactive flat-screen television, glossy stylish kitchen with patio doors that lead onto a large deck with an outdoor hot tub. The first floor has a master bedroom with a king-sized bed and one twin-sized bed, both with an ensuite bath and/or shower. The vacation cabin lodge has 2 bedrooms and can accommodate up to 4 people, and 2 pets are allowed. Some of the features of the Millington Deluxe Lodge include spa and beauty, Wi-Fi, golf on-site, private hot tub, and pet-friendly. Some of the lodge features include the stylish and contemporary 2-story lodges with a good-sized terrace. The vacation lodge is designed to the highest luxury standards and generously spaced. There is an outdoor hot tub, flat-screen television with a DVD and an additional flat-screen television in the master bedroom, in all of the lodges and all bedrooms in the deluxe lodges only. The kitchen has a microwave, dishwasher, fridge and freezer, and washer and dryer. The bath and/or shower has bathrobes and slippers. In the master bedroom, there is all linen, duvets, and towels with beds made up for your arrival. The lodge retreat has double-glazed and centrally heated terrace with outdoor furniture, electricity included, cots and high chairs at an additional fee, and pets allowed at an additional fee. The vacation lodge has complimentary essentials packed on arrival to include tea, coffee, milk, and toiletries. You'll be sure to love the design of the Millington Deluxe Lodge, both inside and out. There are so many great details. On the exterior, the vacation rental is clad in wood, with plenty of windows to let in the natural light. There is an outdoor patio with a private hot tub and a table and chairs, where you can sit back and enjoy the view. Inside the Millington Deluxe Lodge, you'll find a contemporary design with a big comfy couch, dining table and chairs, and flat-screen television. Inside the bedroom, there is a master bedroom with a king-sized bed, plenty of closets for storage, and a desk and chair. From the king-sized bed, you have the sliding glass doors where you can take in the beautiful surrounding view. The second bedroom in the vacation lodge also has a desk where you can read or get some work done. York can be considered the historical capital of the North. Although it is now a modern university city, you can't turn a corner without being greeted by a quaint cobbled road or a ruin while you are in the center. Whilst you are there, you might visit the monumental York Minster. The historical building is considered to be the largest and one of the finest medieval buildings you'll find in Europe, and has its roots that stretch back to 627 AD. Thank you for watching this video, and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow. Also, subscribe to our channel. We will be featuring different houses every single day, from local homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and to other inspiring home ideas.